Hi, I'm Paul, and today we're going to tie up your cabbage, or show you how to tie up cabbage. Today we're at Alemany Farm in San Francisco, California, and we're in a wonderful cabbage patch over here where we have plenty of cabbages ready to be developing and ready to be harvested. However, before you do that, you need to tie it up to go ahead and prevent some problems or issues with your cabbage. And the way how you tie up your cabbage is quite simple. You take some twine, and this is basically tie-up hemp that you can buy in any type of hardware store or any type of gardening store. Use a pair of scissors, cut off roughly about 18 inches. Tie it around your cabbage. And what I do is I do a 3-knot so that it doesn't slip, so you don't need to have somebody's finger there to hold it in place, so you can do it by yourself. Tie it and then do a square knot. Make sure you take in all the outer leaves, bring them all up, and try to protect it to keep the moisture in. I'm Paul Holofko.